Welcome guys again. Let's start to create next part, which you can see previously. We have seen that we have created this all part, just and next we have to create this support center bar here. So let's start to create this support center bar. So to create this, we have to create. So first of all, hide this all planes. Now go to at bottom. Go to sketch positioning. Select this bottom face. Projected point as this. You can see that we have to make this support bar center. We have to create first. So to create this, go to projected element and project these lines. So some dimensions also given here. Project this on curves. To exit this command, go to make one reference circle here. This circle is concentric to this. And give dimensions for this. Horizontal is 45. It is perfect here. Now delete these lines and this one. Now let's just do the sketch workbench for this. Next we have to create a profile here. So go to profile, you can select here the support part. Profile is like a rectangle structure. Now you have to create this on this line. So go to reference element, choose here as a plane and choose normal to curve and select this curve, default point is, and we can get a default plane here. Now select this plane, go to sketch positioning, select this as a projected point and parallel to this. Now press OK, and now cut this part by sketch plane. Now create one rectangle here and length and breadth are given here. So the length is 86, I think. So it is 7, height and 86. Now this we want at this side. So first of all, create one circle here. Make this circle should be for reference only. Make this circle concentric this. Now give dimensions from this which is 85 we have to do. Now coincident this. Now as it is your sketch workbench, Now go to the command here and select this as a profile, this as center curve. You can check some errors is coming because this sketch is somewhat complicated. Delete this line. Now exit this to the sketch workbench. Now again use the rip command here. Select this as a profile. As our sketch. Now press OK here. Now you can see we have created our this support part. Go to again this to the sketch here. Make this isolate. Take this part somewhat inside. Make here also isolate. And take this line also somewhat inside. Now exit this to the sketch workbench. Now you can see update error is coming. So exit this. Delete this rip first. Again go to this part and again make this as isolate here. Now shift this to the sketch workbench. This part is remain. Delete this. And make once again to this. Select this as a profile. As it is not happening here. Delete this. Delete to the sketch workbench. Go to rip, select this as a profile. This as curve. And your pulling direction as this. But actually it is not fine. Reference surface is this. Keep angle we are taking, make it view here. Now press OK. Give some fillets here. We have to decrease this fillets value. Give your fillet as 1. Here also give some fillet again as 1. Go to fillet here and select this part, give fillet as 5. I think it is not possible to change somewhat one. Give here also. Now you can see we created these ribs. Now actually we have to create this next part. So in next video we can create this part. Actually we have to create in this video only. So let's start to create this all points here. So to create this, again select, go to sketch positioning, select this bottom face, projected point as this first and parallel to this line. Now press OK here. Now we have to create 1, 2, 3, 4 circles here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And our value for this is all radius values are given as 10. All circles have same radius value and radius as 10. And center distance between them is 70. From this is 62. Make sure to unhide our this sketch. Now coincident these circles on this line. Now you can see we have created this part, to the sketches on. Now just make sure what is value for this all. So we can see here from center this circle represent at 78. Now see this to the sketch for paint. Now make sure we what is value for this we have to give. So the value for this is, here you can see 30 we have to. So go to pad, select pad here, and make it reverse the direction and give the value as 30. And again go to fillet command here, and radius value also we have to give, which is 5. So select this on top faces here. Make sure the last we have selected face. So guys, fillet values are 5. And also we have to give hold to these lines. To give hole, so go to hole command here and select this face. Go to positioning sketch and make this point its concentricity to these circles and use it to the sketch workbench. And check out its value for this. So the value for this is 5 we can take. So radius value is 5, so 5 plus 5 plus come as 10. And here we can see the depth value we have to give. So increase some depth value up to 32. We can make it 32 here. Up to 30 we can give a depth value. Now close this to the sketch workbench. Now same we have to give on this other side also. So use rectangle pattern here. We want such like 1, 2, 3. So select here as a 3 and choose current solid as this 4. Give direction as this and center distance between them is 70. Make it for you and give me one again 4 inch. Now you can see that we have created this on support profile and this on what we call bosses like a structure here. Only one last part is to remain. We have to draw one here. It's called as the coolant flange. I think it is coolant port we have to create. So next video we can create the coolant port to here and our part is complete. So guys, see you in next video.